How to uninstall apps on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to uninstall apps on Mac. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete apps, go ahead and open Launchpad on your device. Simply hold on the application that you want to delete. The application will start jiggling. Tap on the cross symbol above the application and you will see the delete option. Simply tap on that and the app will be deleted. You can also simply drag the application to the trash and you will see the delete option. Tap on the delete option and the app will be deleted. You can also go ahead and open Finder on your MacBook and then go to Applications from the left side panel. Find the application you want to delete and then right-click on it. And you will see the option for Move to Trash. Tap on that and the application will be deleted. So this is how you can uninstall applications on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.